Hi, it's Karen and Adam with the Knowles Woolsey team. We're excited today to introduce you to our latest listing at 49 Brighton Road in Barrie.
That's right, Karen. Today we're in Barrie's northeast end, and it's easy to see why this location is so highly sought after. You're literally within walking distance or close proximity to almost everything. You're 5 minutes to the RVH, 5 minutes to Georgian College. You can be on Highway 400 within 5 minutes, and you're surrounded by parks, schools, and family-friendly neighborhoods.
This lovely ranch bungalow is all brick construction, had new shingles in 2017, extra wide driveway, no sidewalks in between. When your overnight guests come that don't like to leave, you have plenty of space for them. Let's go inside and have a look.
Guys, who doesn't love a bungalow? And I can promise you this one does not disappoint. At nearly 1,200 square feet, this fantastic split level 2-bed, 2-bath floor plan offers tons of space, a huge living, dining, kitchen combo with hardwood floors, gas fireplace, and a vaulted ceiling, as well as a walkout to a large entertainer's deck.
What I love most about this house is the master bedroom. It's spacious, it's bright, it feels like your own retreat. It has a 4-piece ensuite with a large walk-in closet.
The best part about bungalows is all that square footage you have upstairs, you pick up in the basement as well. And this one is ready for you to put your stamp on. I'm picturing 2 full bedrooms down here, another bath, a huge rec room, or if you want to leave the space as is, it's the perfect spot to wear the kids out with gymnastics and other activities. Guys, there's a fantastic fully fenced backyard with an entertainer's deck behind us as well, but you're just gonna have to take my word for it because it's February and we're in Barrie and I don't feel like shoveling snow.
For more information on this listing and others, please check out our website.